Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Photoshop Smart Objects for scalable branding mockups step by step clearly. Open Adobe Photoshop and create a new document. Select the dimensions based on your branding mockup needs. Import your branding elements such as logos and graphics into the document. Drag your primary logo onto the canvas. Right-click on the logo layer in the Layers panel and select Convert to Smart Object. Now, click on the File menu and choose Place Embedded. Choose other design elements like business cards or stationery that you want to connect. Position these elements where desired on the canvas. For each layer, right-click and convert them all to Smart Objects as well. Select the first Smart Object layer and go to the Edit menu, then click on Edit Contents. This opens a new document. Make any adjustments or changes you want in this new document. Once done, save and close this window to update the Smart Object in the main document. Repeat this process for all Smart Objects linked to various elements. To ensure scalability, use the free Transform command by pressing Ctrl+T or Command+T. Adjust the size or orientation of your mockup elements as needed. Use guides or grids to maintain alignment and consistency across designs. Finally, preview the entire canvas to ensure everything aligns properly. You have now successfully connected Photoshop Smart Objects for scalable branding mockups. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.